Yo, what's good? This your boy Mr. Outtasite, not to be confused with Blind Fury. I am the first Ray Charles of hip-hop music representing Harlem, New York. Here's a little 16 for you real quick so you can understand that I'm not nothing to play with, you feel me? This is how it goes. My name is Mr. Outtasite. Stop trying to figure the kid out. All I wanna do is finish my bid out. That's what's up, y'all in my living room tonight. Yo, Cream, let's go. And I ain't talking about prison, I mean life where I walk a thin line between wrong and right, Yo, this one right here is dedicated to anybody who knows somebody that's in the military who only got there because they wanted to pay tuition to go to fucking college. This one's for you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Let's go, bring it in. I hope this letter reaches you in the best of health. I'm not feeling very well myself, I miss you, the family deeply. Believe me, it's hard being a soldier, fighting the war for nothing. I just got a Dear John letter, it's cool though. My mind is on staying alive. A lot of brothers in my platoon didn't survive. They all died because the president told a lie. I'm trying not to be next, I'm watching my back, so I eat shit and sleep, holding my gas with my fatigues on. Iraq is cold and wet, cold from the beer, wet from the blood, telling me to murder these people with no love. I'm still trying to figure out what is it all